Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you what is a right outer join in SQL and how we can use it effectively in a SQL database. So without further ado, let's get into it. The SQL right join returns all the rows from the right table even if there are no matches in the left table. This means that if the join condition matches no records in the left table, the join will still return a row in the result but with the null values or no values in each column from the left table. This means that right join returns all the rows from the right table plus the matched values from the left table or null in case of no match of join condition. This is the basic syntax of a right outer join in SQL, in which we are joining the table 1 and table 2, in which table 1 is the left table and the table 2 is the right table. Let me show you how to use it with some simple example. This is the SQL command line interface, and today we are going to use right outer join on two tables, namely students and marks. Let me show you the data present in both the tables. For this, just use the select command. So first one is select star from students and select star from marks. So here you can see student number column is common in both the tables. So we will be joining these two tables on the basis of student number column. In this example, we will try to fetch forename and surname columns from the students table and the mark column from the marks table. And we are joining these two tables on the basis of student number because it is common in both the tables. For this, we just have to type select, and our first table is students, so just type students dot, our first column is forename, comma, as well as just type students dot, our second column is surname, comma, and from the marks table we are getting the mark column, so just type marks table dot mark column. From now we have to give our left table, so in this case the students is our left table, so just type students, and we have to give our type of join here. So in this example we are using right outer join, so just type right outer join, and now the right table which is marks, and we have to give our condition, so just type on, and we are joining these two table on the basis of student number column, so just type students dot student number equals to marks dot student number, because student number column is common in both the tables. So after hitting semicolon and enter, as you can see, we are getting forename and surname column from the students table and mark column from the marks table. But if you see these records closely in the result table, so it is clearly showing that we are getting all the records from the right table, which is marks, even though there are no records present in the left table, which is students. I hope you got the clear understanding what is a right outer join and how we are using it in this example. In the next step, we will use table alias to further simplify this type of query. For this, just type select, and here for the students table we will use alias s letter, and for marks table we will use alias as m letter. So just type s dot, our first column is forename, comma, again s dot surname, comma, our next table is marks, so m dot mark from our left table, which is students. So we have to type students here, and we have to give the table alias. So our table alias is s, and now we have to give the type of join here. So similarly, right outer join and the right table, which is marks, and its alias name, which is m. And on the next line we will give our on condition here. So on, and our join condition, which is s dot student number equals to m dot student number. After hitting semicolon and enter, here you can see we are getting the similar results here. But if we compare both the queries, the query in which we have used alias is more simplified and easy to understand. Watch our separate video which is dedicated to alias. Just press the I button here. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell to get the latest updates.